Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to reinstall YouTube on Android TV or Smart TV. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Settings menu on your Android TV or Smart TV. Scroll down and select Apps or Application Manager, depending on your TV model. After that, find and select YouTube from the list of apps installed. Now choose the Uninstall option. On some TVs, you may see Uninstall Updates instead. Tap it to remove the current version of the YouTube app from your TV. Once the uninstall process is complete, restart your TV to refresh the system properly. After your TV turns back on, go to the home page and use the search bar to search for YouTube. When you find the app, select Install or Update to reinstall it on your TV. Once the installation is finished, open YouTube and sign into your account again to start using the app normally. That's it for this video. Thanks.